Creating a Tradingview screener is a powerful way to identify potential trading opportunities by filtering stocks based on specific criteria. To start, open Tradingview and navigate to the Screener section. Here, you can choose from a variety of predefined screeners or create your own custom screener. First, click on the Create button to begin building your custom screener. You will be presented with a vast array of filters to choose from, including market cap, sector, industry, and technical indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index. Select the filters that align with your trading strategy and set the parameters for each filter. For example, if you are looking for stocks with a market capitalization of over $1 billion, you would select the market cap filter and set the parameter to greater than 1 billion. As you add filters, the screener will automatically update to show you the number of stocks that meet the criteria. You can also use the watchlist feature to save your screener and receive alerts when new stocks meet the criteria. To further refine your screener, you can use the and/or operators to combine multiple filters. For instance, you can use the AND operator to find stocks with a market capitalization of over $1 billion and a price above $50. Once you have set up your filters, you can sort the results by a variety of criteria, including price, volume, and market capitalization. You can also use the chart feature to visualize the results and identify patterns and trends. Best practices for creating a Tradingview screener include starting with a broad set of criteria and gradually narrowing it down to find the most promising stocks. It is also essential to backtest your screener using historical data to ensure that it is effective in identifying profitable trades. By following these steps and using the features and tools available in Tradingview, you can create a custom screener that helps you identify potential trading opportunities and stay ahead of the market.